Welcome back, everybody. Crazy Pop here with the Crazy Kids again for another challenge. Anybody know what kind of challenge we're doing tonight?
No hands challenge.
No hands challenge. What does that mean? What are we doing with no hands?
Put our head by the back and we're going to eat food.
We're going to try, well, not we. They're going to try to eat food with no hands. Anybody know what kind of food we're going to do?
Pizza, Pop-Tarts, and a Hershey bar.
There. So we're going to see, they can run their mouth pretty good. We're going to see how skilled they are really with their mouths. Who's going to win?
Me!
Yeah, Michael, I don't know what he's doing over here. So before we get started, we need a couple things. Tell them what to do, Bryson. Give us a thumbs up. That's right. What else?
Hit that notification bell, subscribe, and comment down below what you want us to do next time.
There you go. All right, we got that out the way. You get that out the way. Let's get started. Okay, our first item up to eat is pizza. And it's very thin crust. Let's just look in on Junior's.
It's thinner than the pizza.
Very thin. All right, turn it however. I'll let you go ahead and turn it however you want to turn it. No, it's got to be all the way on the plate.
Okay.
All the way. Yeah, see, y'all don't figure out how to cheat already, didn't you? Nope. Got to be flat on the plate.
Flat.
Come on, no cheating.
Got my hand on it.
Flat. All right, y'all want to do it by time?
Yeah. No, whoever gets done first. 90 seconds. 90 seconds.
Let's do 90 seconds. Okay?
So we're gonna tell Google.
Yep. So whenever y'all ready, go ahead and tell her.
Okay, Google. Set timer for 90 seconds.
Sure, 1 minute and 30 seconds. And that's starting now.
And they're off. Wow, Michael didn't. They're pretty good at this. Better than I thought they was going to do. Come on, Bryson. Eat it up there, buddy. Is the pizza at least good? It's that old Walmart pizza.
Dumb pizza.
Having trouble there, Michael? Uh-oh. Bryson's having trouble over here. Put the plate back on the table, man.
I'll pick it up.
Put it back on the table. On the plate. Uh-oh, it's dropping on the table. Is this as easy as you thought it was going to be?
No. No, because I
Uh-oh.
I can't eat.
Chew it all up.
I'm not eating that. Come on, bud.
Wow. Okay, Michael finished first, Tootie second, Judy third. Man, y'all did awesome in that. Y'all ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. 90 seconds is up. Good deal,
Okay,
y'all.
Google, stop. Stop.
Was that as easy as y'all thought it was going to be?
No.
No? Okay. But the pizza kind of gives a little bit. Now that Pop-Tart and chocolate bar won't be as easy. So let's bring one up.
Yeah.
Okay, they went through the pizza pretty good. Now, we have chocolate chip Pop-Tarts.
Start.
Now these ain't going to pick up as easy as the pizzas, I don't think. Are y'all ready?
Yay.
Alright. Tell Google
Okay,
set timer.
Google. Set timer for 90 seconds.
Okay, 1 minute and 30 seconds. And we're starting now.
Yeah, a little harder, ain't it?
A lot harder.
Uh-oh, Michael's got it up. Now what? Michael got a bite out of his. Tootie, you just smooshing yours.
Dang it. No! Please help me. It won't.
You good, Bryson? Yeah. Oh. Judy just, I don't know how she did it, but she's Made a mess out of hers and she's actually eating it. Oh, Junior, there you go.
I can't eat all that.
You can't eat all that.
No points for me. No points for me.
No points for you.
No. It's a tie.
Time up.
Tie. It's a tie.
Michael actually finished a split second before Junebug, I think. But wait a minute, they're still chewing.
Okay,
So,
Google, stop.
but anyhow, there you go. Y'all did pretty good on that.
Stop timer.
Was that harder than the pizzas? It was. All right, one thing left. A Hershey's chocolate bar. Are y'all
I'm
ready
gonna
for
make a mess.
this? Think so?
I got all in my mouth.
Think so? Think it'll make a mess?
I'm done chewing.
All right, let's get the chocolate bars out. Okay, we got the Hershey's chocolate bars out now. I'm hoping that this is going to give us the biggest challenge. So,
Cause it's gonna get me.
what do y'all think?
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
Is it going to be as easy as the other ones?
I have confidence in
No.
myself because it's
No.
harder.
Okay, Google.
All right, no, not yet. Okay, set that timer.
Okay, Google. Set timer for 90 seconds.
Second timer for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And that's starting now.
Well,
I got it.
he got it in his mouth. No hands.
Oh.
Wow, y'all are devouring that chocolate bar. This is easier than the other ones. No?
No. I've got a chocolate bar.
Well, Michael finished his. Junior's still over here trying. Time's up. Oh, yes. Look at that face, dude.
Okay, Google.
Well, it looks like Michael pretty much finished ahead of everybody else on all challenges. And that don't surprise me the way he likes to eat. So, there you go. That's the results of it. Was it easy as y'all thought it was going to be?
No.
All right. So, what do we do now?
Like, comment down below.
And comment down below.
Hit the
what we should
notification
do
bell
next
so you don't
and
miss
hit
out
the
on any fun.
notification. Whatever.
How about give us some suggestions of what kind of no hands challenge we can do next? So maybe some different kind of foods. We got some more challenges coming up.
Comment down below.
So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe and hit that bell notification.
Comment down below.
We got some more cooking coming up and won't be long. Some more theme parks and music parks will be open back up. We'll be hitting those. And we got some other trips planned also. So hey, hit that bell notification. You never know where we're going to see us at. If you see us out, be sure to say hey.
Bye.